What are you doing, Pi Pi? Trying to grab the water? Oh, I think she's going in, hon. I think she's going in. You're a crazy girl, Piper. The only time she plays with water. You gotta put it in a pot. Wanna make some cockatoo stew, hun?
Yeah, sure.
Ouch. Okay, Piper, Riley. Piper, you giving me your backside.